Blackout Bingo is a mobile bingo game where players compete through bingo-style matches, and the biggest question is whether the outcomes are controlled or genuinely based on game mechanics. By the end, you'll know what signs to look for when judging whether Blackout Bingo feels fair, what rigged usually means in mobile games, and how to decide if it is worth your time. The first thing to understand is that a game can be difficult or frustrating without being rigged. A losing streak does not automatically prove that a game is manipulating results. When players ask if Blackout Bingo is fair, they are usually asking three things. Are the results random? Are other players getting an advantage? And does the game make it harder to win over time? A fair game should have rules that work the same way for everyone. The best way to evaluate that is to look at how the game explains its rules, how matches are scored, and whether the company provides clear information about how results are generated. Another thing to check is the difference between skill and chance. Some mobile games combine both. A player's speed, decisions, or experience may affect results, while other parts of the game may depend on random events. If you are unsure about Blackout Bingo, avoid judging it from one or two matches. Look for patterns over multiple sessions and compare your experience with the official rules and other player feedback. You should also pay attention to spending. Any game with optional purchases can feel unfair if you are paying more than you expected. Set a limit before spending and treat the game as entertainment, rather than a guaranteed way to earn something back. Signs that should make you cautious include unclear rules, unexpected changes, confusing payment terms, or promises that sound too good to be true. A transparent game makes it easier for players to understand what they are getting. So, is Blackout Bingo rigged or fair? The answer depends on the evidence you look at. Losing does not prove a game is unfair, but unclear systems and poor transparency are reasons to be careful. Before you keep playing, read the rules, understand how matches work, and decide whether the experience is worth your time. If this helped you understand how to judge apps like Blackout Bingo, subscribe for more straight answers on popular money and reward apps.